I just had a total freak out because I realized it had this storage box and it was sitting right here. I touched it and it went back. I could not get it out. I was like trying to use these 2 knives to get it out. I figured it's done. I can never use it. It is what it is. Let me see if the tray still fits. It does, and it actually brings it out. That is brilliant because people like me exist in the world who are gonna do things like that. Oh my God, I'm so relieved. She looks good. This is the setup. I love her so much. She's absolutely gorgeous.